Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain and Siser, Juliet, Beginners to Pro. I've got a frame cut out here, which is a print and cut frame, and I have got an outer frame cut out of gold foil card. I'm going to use some glue around here in order to stick them together. I have a piece of acetate. So again, I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the edge of this to put it onto here. There we go. So that is actually placed, but I have a pocket there in order to put some bits and pieces inside. Then I can remove that tape layer and stick it down. So here's the finished card. I've left it without a sentiment, so you can choose whatever you like. And I think it looks pretty good. So I've put a piece of paper on the top here, just slightly shorter than the card, so that you can write a message and have it hidden when the card is open. And I've also included a cutout just of the baubles to add on the inside so that it looks good from the inside and the outside. And there we have it, all done. Thanks for watching, take care now.